Hello guys, today our topic based on the important concept that is looping in Java. So what exactly loop, in what cases we need, so that thing we will see in the today's tutorial. So you can observe here the looping means is a feature we facilitate the execution of set of instruction while some condition evaluate true. So in programming what happens, sometime we want to run you want to run some statement repeatedly. Okay, suppose particular 3 lines of code is there that you want to run again and again. So in that case we use the loops. For example, if you want to get such kind of output in program, like here 5 times say, then here series is there 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 4 9 16 25. So when you want to run sequential series, or on the basis of some logic you want to run particular series, or you want repetition in the output, then in that case you have to use looping. Because what happen in such cases, you need the looping concept so that your time will save. So for getting such kind of output we need the loop concept. And what is the use of that? It save time and the coding effort, because for running such output you need some statement that has to be executed repeatedly in the program. So now we will see types of loop. So it is focusing on two type, entry and exit loop. So in short, you have to see here entry control loop, condition is checked first, and in exit control loop, condition is checked after the body of loop. So this is the flowchart of entry control loop. So here first thing you keep in mind, condition is checked first in the program, and if it is true it will run body of the loop, then again it will check condition, again it will execute body of loop. So that repetition is known as loop. Why? Because some statement are continuously executing while condition is true. Once it is false, end of loop. So here it is entry control loop because the condition is checked first, and some statement are executing continuously, so this repetition is nothing but loop. This is entry control loop. So in entry control loop, condition is checked before the execution of body of loop. Next one is exit control loop. Body is running first and then condition is checked. So after checking condition, if it is true, again it will run the body, then again condition is checked, again it will run the body if it is true, and if it is false, then end of loop. So here important thing is what? In exit control loop, condition is checked after the body of loop. So that is the important thing in the exit control loop. And when some statements are continuously executing, that repetition is known as, or you can say iteration is known as the loop. Okay, so in the looping there are 3 types: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So these 3 important loops are there. One by one we will discuss all these 3 loops for while and do. So in the today's class you learn what is exit control, what is entry control loop, what is the use of loop, and what exactly the loop concept. So once again I repeat, when you want to run or when you want to execute some set of statement repeatedly while condition is true, for that case we use the loop. So I hope you understood this tutorial. In the coming tutorial we will discuss about for, while, and do while loop. Thank you.